friends. It's a pleasure to reach out to you personally during the Center's season of giving. As you know, it's been a terrific year. It was so affirming to stand beside President Brunix when he presented an honorary degree to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, to appoint the first cohort of George Fellows who will advance nursing leadership in integrative health and healing, and present Earl Bakken with the first Center of the Spirit Award at last December's anniversary celebration. There were many moments like these that deeply impacted our students, faculty, and partners inside the university and within the broader community. Key to our success have always been vibrant partnerships with programs including the Purpose Project with Richard Leiter, the Healthy Eating, Healthy Living course with Brenda Langton, mindfulness-based stress reduction, one of the nation's first health coaching programs, courses that explore whole systems healing, and our Taking Charge of Your Health website and retreats. What's happening in this country also informs our work. I believe that a shift in language and strategy is vital. While healthcare reform is important, what really matters is health reform. We need to focus on improving the nation's health, and that will be most impacted by the choices that you and I make every day. I'm excited about the Center's work in well-being leadership. Over the past 6 months, a team has started to give shape to this initiative that we call the Art, Science, and Business of Well-being. Also in 2012, watch for the new lecture series on taking charge of your health that we're launching with Fairview Health Systems. Beyond bringing in top-notch speakers, we're exploring ways to disseminate health and well-being messages through various media. As you make your end of 2011 giving decisions, please let the Center for Spirituality and Healing be at the top of your priorities. Later this week, you will receive a packet from me to help facilitate your giving. Take time to consider the most generous investment possible. We've created a well-being leadership fund that is supporting the launch of this new initiative. Thank you all for your support in the past as an advisor, a champion, and a good friend of the Center. I know I speak for everyone here when I wish you a happy and healthy season of giving in the weeks ahead.